UD Sinclair Academy was a fantastic choice for me. I think it was a really smart way for me to really start college. I was able to get a really good foundation of what college looks like on the academic side. But then once I transitioned over to UD, really kind of getting that full college experience. I'm currently working on a capstone project. We are currently making a armband that measures strain for when you're working out. We're wanting to see like real data on what that looks like if you're overstraining your muscles, if you're understraining your muscles. Basically kind of getting a way to get real world data when you're working out. We are working with a company and they manufacture vertically aligned carbon nanotubes. So typically they are used in composite materials. We are using it in a different way that they have not originally used it for, to see like what other fields that this certain material can be applied to. Right now we're coming up with a proof of concept to see if this is actually a feasible idea, but so far it's looking really promising, so we're very excited about it. When I first came to UD, I was really concerned about how I'd go about meeting other people and meeting friends, but everyone here is incredibly welcoming. I've met so many great people here. The people here really want each other to succeed, and that has been a great blessing.